Did you know that a single slice of pepperoni pizza can set you back about 300 calories? To burn those calories, you could spend an hour on the treadmill or lift weights for about 45 minutes. This simple comparison highlights the age-old question. When it comes to weight loss, is cardio or weight training more effective? The cardio versus weights debate has raged on for years. Cardio enthusiasts swear by the calorie-torching power of running, swimming, or cycling. Weightlifting fans, on the other hand, tout the muscle-building and metabolism-boosting effects of pumping iron. Both sides present compelling arguments, leaving many people wondering which path to choose for optimal weight loss. Choosing the right workout method for weight loss can feel like navigating a maze. You're bombarded with conflicting information, miracle solutions, and quick fixes. However, the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best approach depends on your individual goals, preferences, and lifestyle. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, gets your heart pumping and lungs working. It's excellent for burning calories, improving heart health, and boosting your mood. However, excessive cardio can lead to muscle loss, especially if your diet isn't rich in protein. Additionally, relying solely on cardio might not be as effective for long-term weight loss as it can lead to a plateau effect. Weight training, also known as resistance training, involves using weights. This form of exercise is incredibly versatile and can be tailored to meet the needs of individuals at any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, weight training can be adjusted to suit your goals and capabilities. It involves using free weights, machines, or resistance bands to build muscle mass. While it might not burn as many calories as cardio during the workout, it offers significant advantages. Building muscle mass increases your metabolism, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Additionally, weight training helps improve bone density, which is crucial for preventing osteoporosis and maintaining overall skeletal health as you age. Strength training also enhances your strength, making everyday activities easier and improving your overall body composition. However, weight training requires proper form and technique to avoid injuries. It's essential to learn the correct way to perform exercises to prevent strains, sprains, and other injuries. Working with a certified trainer can be beneficial, especially for beginners, to ensure that exercises are performed safely and effectively. Another important aspect of weight training is the need for a proper warm-up and cool-down routine. Warming up prepares your muscles and joints for the workout ahead, reducing the risk of injury. Cooling down helps to gradually lower your heart rate and stretch your muscles, aiding in recovery and reducing muscle soreness. Nutrition and rest are also critical components of a successful weight training program. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats provides necessary fuel for your workouts and aids in muscle recovery. Adequate rest and sleep are equally important, as they allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Tracking your progress and setting realistic fitness goals can keep you motivated and on track. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small, as they are a testament to your hard work and dedication. Weight training is not just about building muscle. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. With consistency and the right approach, the benefits of weight training can be life-changing. The power of synergy, combining cardio and weights. When it comes to achieving your fitness goals, the combination of cardio and weight training can be a game changer. This powerful duo can help you maximize your results, whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or overall health improvement. Instead of viewing cardio and weight training as rivals, consider them allies in your weight loss journey. Cardio exercises, such as running, cycling, or swimming, are excellent for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. On the other hand, weight training helps build muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism and aids in burning more calories even at rest. By integrating both forms of exercise into your routine, you can create a balanced and effective workout plan that targets multiple aspects of fitness. Studies show that combining both types of exercise is more effective for long-term weight loss and overall health than relying on either one alone. For instance, a study conducted by the American Council on Exercise found that participants who engaged in both cardio and weight training experienced significant improvements in body composition, strength, and endurance. This holistic approach not only helps in shedding excess pounds, but also enhances muscle tone, flexibility, and overall physical performance. For example, a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that participants who combined cardio and weight training lost more body fat and maintained more muscle mass than those who only did cardio. This is because weight training stimulates muscle growth, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Additionally, cardio exercises improve heart health and increase stamina, making it easier to perform daily activities and more intense workouts. By leveraging the strengths of both cardio and weight training, you can achieve a well-rounded fitness regimen that supports your long-term health and wellness goals. To get started, consider incorporating a mix of cardio and weight training exercises into your weekly routine. For example, you might dedicate certain days to cardio activities like running or cycling, and other days to weight training exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Alternatively, you can combine both types of exercise in a single workout session by doing a circuit that includes both cardio intervals and strength training moves. This approach not only keeps your workouts interesting, but also ensures that you're working different muscle groups and energy systems, leading to more comprehensive fitness gains. Remember, the key to success is consistency and progression. Start with a manageable routine and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as your fitness level improves. Additionally, pay attention to your body's signals and allow adequate time for rest and recovery. By combining cardio and weight training in a thoughtful and strategic manner, you can unlock the full potential of your fitness journey and enjoy lasting benefits for your body and mind. The bottom line, finding your winning formula. In the journey towards achieving your fitness goals, it's essential to understand that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Each individual is unique, and what works for one person may not necessarily work for another. This is why it's crucial to find your own winning formula. Ultimately, the key to successful weight loss lies in finding a sustainable balance that works for you. This means paying attention to your body's signals and understanding what it needs. Whether it's adjusting your diet, incorporating more physical activity, or finding ways to manage stress, it's all about creating a lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. Tracking your progress can be incredibly motivating, whether it's through a fitness tracker, regular weigh-ins, or simply noting how your clothes fit better. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of cardio and weight training to discover what you enjoy and what fits your lifestyle. Trying out various gym equipment, joining a group fitness class, or even exploring outdoor activities can help you find what keeps you motivated. Remember, the best exercise routine is one that you look forward to and can stick with over time. It's also important to mix things up to prevent boredom and keep your body challenged. The most important thing is to stay consistent and make exercise a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key to seeing results and making lasting changes. Whether you prefer running in the park, doing home workouts, or training outdoors, the goal is to make physical activity a habit. Set realistic goals, celebrate your progress, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Join the conversation. Share your fitness journey. What's your go-to workout for weight loss? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on our fitness journeys. Keep learning your path to a healthier you. Want to learn more about fitness, nutrition, and achieving your health goals? Stay tuned for more informative and inspiring content coming your way.